Okay, we're kind of cruising along in Ferndale. You can see some flags over there. And I think this is kind of known as like a gay community area, I believe. But it's also a community of all kinds of people as well. I don't know, or maybe tolerant. I don't know. I don't know. But anyways, we're going to be going down 9 Mile Road, and I'm going to start in this residential area of Ferndale. So we just wanted to give a little bit of a taste of what that looks like first. This is kind of common in Detroit as well, but this is specifically Ferndale because that's where we're at right now. Nice porches and such, and I think that may be why it's kind of a popular for the gay community as well, as far as I know. Is maybe because of the housing stock. It's kind of community oriented and nice porches and such like that. Anyways, there's where we're gonna be starting at right there, 9 Mile Road, Ferndale. Let's check it all out. We are in Ferndale. That's the stuff that we're not going to see because we're going to go the other way. And we're going to go this way down 9 Mile Road. And basically 9 Mile Road will go right through the heart of Ferndale. And just for some references, 8 Mile Road is the kind of borderline between Detroit and the northern suburbs. And so, and they keep going up 8 Mile, 9 Mile. So this is actually 9 Mile. So there's a 7 Mile, it's on the Detroit side, and then the 9 Mile is on the suburbs, northern suburb side. So we're gonna cruise right through this downtown area, keep the camera going. Give you a little bit of idea of what it looks like. It's actually quite lively when we get up here just a little bit. I think it starts after this light, I believe. The more density of the commercial area. You can see some of the commercial activity already, of course. 9 Mile Road, you can see it right there, the sign for it. It's a Sunday evening, by the way, about 6:30 on a Sunday evening. There's some people out there at the Dairy Queen. It is Michigan in the summer, and Dairy Queen is very, very popular in the summer like this. July 28th, something like that. July, last week of July, anyways. Downtown, it says straight ahead. And we'll stick with downtown a little bit. Ferndale Foods, to the left. So yeah, these are kind of my driving Michigan videos, a little bit driving Detroit, and this one's driving 9 Mile in Ferndale, Michigan, Detroit suburb. Nice healthy community, lots of people out and about. Flowers wrapped up in a ball, shaped. I'm trying to move the camera too much to the left and right just because it's hard to follow it. There's too much movement. So Woodward Avenue is the one that we're crossing. That's kind of the main road. It goes all the way down to downtown Detroit. So and you can see some City of Ferndale sign near that Woodward Avenue, 9 Avenue. There's some signs you can kind of read to the left and right. Let's just kind of see what else we got. You got Rust Belt Market right there. We are in the Rust Belt. And then over here you got some Pride stuff. You got same-sex marriage, fight continues, first Pride rally. So you got some signs for this particular real estate business. Let's see. Straight ahead, we got a billboard that says Jumana is always watching. 86 rights. So I think that has some reference to I don't know. There's an Irish pub over there. So I'm gonna keep on cruising through 9 Mile. Give you the full experience. Driving Detroit, driving Ferndale. If you're curious, in the back seat I have an autistic son. So if you're hearing a lot of noises, maybe I'll just explain it on the video. But he's autistic and he makes noises when he gets excited. So I guess driving down the street is kind of exciting for him. So he's kind of laughing there. Okay, we're just gonna stick with 9 Mile for a while because it's kind of an interesting street. We'll just see what we can see. But I'm going to stick with 9 Mile until it's no longer interesting. Apartment buildings. Yeah, I do like when we started there was some nice kind of nice homes, you know, that like nice porches and kind of community oriented. Luxury lanes, bowling is fun. I think we've moved out of Ferndale now, by the way. But we're gonna keep the camera going a little bit longer because I want to give you more to view. And this kind of goes down to an area called Hazel Park, which is quite blue collar. But anyways, you got an idea for it. And I think I'm also going to end the video. So so there you go, Ferndale, downtown, 9 Mile, Ferndale, Detroit, Michigan, cruising some streets. All right. Yeah.